Here's how we make our hand-breaded, antibiotic and hormone-free, never frozen, crispy chicken tenders. First, we marinate our chicken in a brine of water, salt, agave, lemon juice, buttermilk, eggs, and a blend of herbs. Next, we season our organic flour with smoked paprika, chili powder, cayenne pepper, organic sugar, cornstarch, and baking powder. We dip the tender into our flour mixture, making sure it's evenly coated. We dip it into our buttermilk, and then back into the flour. We fry the tenders in rice bran oil, which has a clean flavor that doesn't mask the taste of the chicken and spices. It also has a high smoking point and is a healthier alternative to other common frying oils for a lighter meal. Once the tenders are crisp and golden brown, we take them out of the fryer and lightly season with salt. And there you have it, our crispy jumbo chicken tenders.